Enterprise Architecture Framework Toolkit, a pragmatic version. Agenda 1. To create a simple, useful and pragmatic enterprise architecture (EA) framework. 2. To demonstrate the bare minimum approach to go from the business problem to the solution. 3. To demonstrate how pragmatic EA framework fits into the overall ecosystem and assembles all puzzle pieces into the holistic picture. Point 0 is a transition point from the enterprise architecture EA necessity acceptance to the EA methods launching. Step 1 or preconditions. There are some important analysis steps that should be taken before the toolkit can be leveraged, so moving forward is not possible without knowing sponsors and budget, stakeholders, business directives, strategies, principles, goals, drivers, current/baseline architecture, current processes and frameworks, project management, development management, etc. Skills and capability of organization to adopt. Step 2 or conditions. This is the stage to confirm and elaborate business and IT goals, as well as key performance indicators, KPI, also to discover BNS framework landscape/ecosystem. The following frameworks were discovered: program management, project delivery, operations, development, and others. Make sure to confirm and elaborate business goal, drivers, and constraints. Identify stakeholders' concerns and business requirements. Evaluate business capabilities. Assess readiness for business transformation. Establish the architecture project. Define architecture scope and architecture statement of work, SAW. Define the target architecture value proposition in KPI. Define the security measures. Step 3 or EA framework toolkit and IT deliverables, templates and samples. As you remember, there are 3 major EA states: current, transition, target. Action 1. We need to subtract the current state from the target state to obtain gaps and develop a roadmap. So if the current state architecture is still missing, then we need to model one. Action 2. Develop transition states to provide options to the solution selection. As we mentioned in the previous video, enterprise architecture in action, the need for EA, any architecture state model have business and IT set of artifacts. IT, in its turn, has application, A, data, D, and technology, T, aspects, or viewpoints, and can be accompanied by security and SOA aspects. Action 3. Do the rest. There is some help to remind about relationships between artifacts as architecture states, deltas, or gaps, roadmaps, program, and project. Below is a summary table with IT deliverables templates. All documents are placed in accordance with the IT product delivery phase. Levels of detail are abstracted into conceptual, logical, and physical layers, partially overlapped with so-called software development life cycle, SDLC, which will be elaborated in the next video. Enterprise level activity outcome have EA description, gaps analysis matrix, roadmap, program management plan. Arrows are used to demonstrate that EA document with current and transition state provides input to gap analysis. Gap analysis is leveraged to create a roadmap. The roadmap creates a platform to produce a program management plan, which results in a project management plan. Domain level activity required to derive a solution architecture document, SAO, from the EA architecture document. SAO goes through a number of iterations and will be used as a holistic model for the future business systems. A business systems functional design document and a business systems technical design document get input from the SAO. Summary: the framework toolkit can be used as a reference model or a demonstration of the architecture's role in the whole process. IT Deliverables Links table allows pulling out any template or a sample to complete a project and visually demonstrate artifacts dependencies. What is next? In the next video, you can learn in depth how different frameworks like architecture, program/project, and SDLC coexist and interwoven.